A coalition of American organizations representing Igbo veterans and human rights advocates has issued a strong rebuke against recent comments by President Bola Tinubu's Special Advisor on Information, Mr. Bayo Onanuga. The groups are condemning what they called a reckless dismissal of U.S. concerns over Nigerians' human rights record. From Washington, D.C., the American veterans of Igbo descent, alongside ambassadors for self-determination and Rising Sun, have sharply criticized Mr. Onanuga's statement titled "Stop Malicious Lies Against Nigeria." The coalition described the statement as not a defense of patriotism, but a defense of tyranny. These groups welcomed the intervention of the U.S. Congress and the State Department, emphasizing that such attention highlights the reality faced by many Nigerians: justice denied, freedom steadily eroded, and faith under siege. At the heart of their concerns is the ongoing persecution of Christians in northern Nigeria. The coalition alleged that what is often portrayed as a herder-farmer conflict is a systematic religious cleansing, obscured by political manipulation to hide the true scale of violence against Christian communities. They accused the government of prioritizing political loyalty to the president over truth and conscience, calling out Mr. Onanuga for dismissing legitimate criticisms as propaganda and insults. The coalition demands expanded inquiries by the U.S. Congress into Nigerians' human rights abuses and calls on the U.S. State Department and the United Nations Human Rights Council to impose sanctions on officials involved in religious persecution. They also urged the immediate release of Nnamdi Kanu, citing that his detention violates both Nigerian and international law. The groups declared that no matter how the Nigerian government tries to manage its image, the truth remains that churches are burning and innocent lives are being silenced. The coalition reaffirmed its commitment to stand for truth in a time when silence has too often been the norm.